Welcome to Easy Know How New to Instagram and not sure what it's all about. We are here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll tell you all about what Instagram is and how it works. Now, let's get started. So, firstly, what exactly is Instagram? Is a social media platform designed for sharing photos and videos. You can use it to keep up with your friends and family and to follow your favorite celebrities, artists, athletes, and more. If you're a more private person, you can choose to make your Instagram page private so only people you approved can follow you and see your posts. You can also choose to make your page public if you're looking to make new friends with similar interests, or if you're looking to create a page to promote your business on Instagram. You can share a variety of content types, including photos, videos, stories, which are temporary posts to share what you're doing in the moment, and reels, which are short form vertical videos similar to TikTok or YouTube shorts. Now, let's talk about how Instagram works and some of its features. When you start using Instagram, you can check out the Explore page to discover trending posts, Instagram things you might be interested in. The Explore page is also a great place to find new people to follow. Using the search bar at the top of this page, you can search for people you want to follow on Instagram or search for the type of content you want to look at, like recipes, tutorials, inspiration, photos, art, or really anything you're into. Instagram started out as an app specifically for photos, and while it has expanded to add tons more features. Since it started out, photos are still a main staple of Instagram. You can post singular photo posts to your feed or create a carousel of images, almost like a slideshow, with up to 10 photos or videos. In one post, in your post, you can include hashtags to help categorize what you've posted and make it easier for people looking for that type of content to discover your post. For example, I might add tech boomers to make it easier for our subscribers to find my posts on the app. Or if you are posting a photo of your morning latte, you might use hashtag coffee. Similarly, you can add your location to posts to allow people looking for pictures or videos taken at a specific place to easily discover your posts. Another useful feature of Instagram is its direct messaging interface. This makes it easy for you to send messages with your friends, family members, and followers. You can use this as a place for regular messaging to share awesome Instagram posts you've discovered with one another, or even to have video calls. Instagram has a bunch of other awesome features in addition to these, like live streaming, fundraising, link, sharing music, and more. To learn all the ins and outs of Instagram, check out our playlist of Instagram tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel Easy Know How. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day,